42 to rescue a side-by-side with a broken tie rod. It is about 10:30 on a Saturday night. This is the first snow of the year, so very excited.
Yep, first recovery of the year, Saturday, 10:30 at night. It's snowing like crazy right now. There's about 4 to 10 inches of fresh snow, it looks like. We got a bunch of kids that were out side by side, tie rod broke. They tried to rescue it with their Dodge, and the Dodge got stuck, so we're heading out there. And yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Stay tuned.
What are we going to today?
We're gonna air down to about 5 or 7. It's really not necessary if there's only about 10 inches of snow and it's really soft and fluffy, but we're gonna do it anyway just in case. All right guys, I'm really excited. It's the first recovery of 2024. It's a big old Dodge and a side-by-side, so it's gonna be real fun. Just in case you guys don't believe me, some people on the internet don't think I go down to single digits without feedlocks, but come on over. I'll show you exactly what we're at. Right there, 7. Come on now. 7 PSI, that's good enough for me. Yeah, we'll hit the road and get started. Just a note, if it can happen, it will happen. And usually it happens at the worst possible time. Yeah, that's looking really bad. Wow. Okay.
All right.
Well, we're gonna need an anchor.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Man, Maggie, it's really icy here, just FYI, yeah. Doesn't look like he's really hung up on anything, just stuck sideways and in some ice. So you said this trail is it like a big loop? I haven't been back here in a long time.
I've never been past, because I've only gone out where it goes down and then it juts off to the right
Yeah.
through the lava fields, and that's the only place I've been out here.
Yeah, I know that like these trails don't get a lot of use, and it's a snag patch. There's fire, obviously, so
Yeah.
they just all these snags fall over, and I don't really feel like cutting down 20 trees to get by. So like we have to either, Maggie, look, we either have to get his back this way without him going forward so that he can pull forward, or winch him from that way with the snatch just to pull his front forward. But I have nothing to anchor on and I'm going downhill. So you were up there with your side-by-side. Do you know if there's a good turnaround spot?
Not in front of the side-by-side. We actually came down here thinking there was the turnaround spot. There wasn't, so we were trying to back out to turn around and back down to tow my side-by-side out straight. But no, nothing, because once you get past there, it just really gets really thick. So
Like tight?
Yeah, I mean, not super tight. It's just some manzanita bushes, like drive through it easily.
Yeah. Have you aired down your tires at all?
I haven't yet.
Or so you're at full pressure?
Yeah.
What are you running?
Actually, I'm not sure right now.
Maybe we can even anchor up there and just run a double line even, and just get him straightened out. He says he can back up without any trouble, so let's just do that.
Yeah, I'm pretty confident that once I get to this, I might be able to, maybe with some help.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure I could back
Okay.
up.
Yeah, we're gonna do that then. Yeah, you wanna start her up and get your friends nice and warm. Well, I think we're gonna try to look for an anchor, and then just run a long winch line and just try to straighten him out. He says he can back up this hill. Yeah. All right, Maggie, you run the winch line down and I'll hook up the tree. We got our tree saver here. That's a big Doug fir. Hopefully our tree saver is big enough. It's a 6-footer. Grab our Bubba rope soft shackles. We're gonna get this thing as low as possible. That's dead. We want to stay away from that. Man, these Bubba soft shackles are so easy. I love them. Does it fit?
I don't know.
Do you need a soft shackle?
Huh?
Do you need a soft shackle?
Yeah.
You want to shift to 2-wheel drive?
Yeah. All right.
All right, so just go ahead and give it, put it in reverse and just give it just a little bit of backwards throttle. Oh, you got a stick?
Yeah.
Nice, this is gonna be fun. Hopefully you don't toast that clutch.
It's brand new, so.
Just take it easy, because I don't want you to go back. I want you to kind of slide this way. But yeah, just kind of try to spin.
That's just clutch out right now.
There you go. Yep, you're moving. Turn your tires all the way to the right or to the left. Keep going. All right, come forward real slow. All right, come real slow. Cut. All right, that's a little bit better. All right, stop right there. This is kind of going to be the process. We're just kind of shimmying you over and over. Go ahead and throw it in 4, just to make sure you don't slip again. All right, you're good right there. Yeah, if you want to come down there, yeah. So careful down here, it's real slippery, okay? Yeah, it's just all ice. We want to like just stack this up right there and just stack these tracks kind of on top, like right there. I want to get like a barrier like right there. Yeah. You want to crank your wheel all the way to the left.
Yeah, nice.
All right, stop right there.
So I probably want to winch him, just winch him like out of this hole.
All right, I'll go up and put it back in gear. Yeah.
Like throw it in gear and then hop in line.
Yeah.
I want to keep you out of that hole, man. That hole sucks. It's so icy. I just fell right on my ass before. Go ahead and straighten that wheel out. All right, do me a favor, throw it in reverse and you're just gonna kind of help my winch up a little bit. I just want to, you're kind of out of this hole now. So I'm gonna get turned around and then probably back up and we're just gonna have to pull you up backwards. He's into, my battery's gonna run out. That's so much winching. We got you hooked up to a 30-foot rope, and what we're gonna try to do is pull you backwards. I really don't know how it's gonna go because I don't know how much traction you have here, and I don't know how much traction I'm gonna have going uphill, but we're gonna give it a shot. And what I need you to do is, yeah, basically just put it in reverse. Don't floor it. Okay. Try to just kind of help my truck along. All right, sweet. All right, dude, same thing. I'm gonna honk twice and hit it.
Dang, he's not moving.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get through.
Whew, I'm glad that worked.
Yeah, I was trying. I told him the front started going over to me, and so I like tried to get out of the way.
Nice.
First recovery of 2024. It was a success and a failure. We got the Dodge out. It was a little tricky, but we got the Dodge out. Went back for the side-by-side with the broken tie rod and ended up coming up short. We did not get the side-by-side out all the way. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, so we called it a night. Didn't want to break anything further. The strap we had on there broke, and after that, we just called it. Lesson learned, we need a portable welder. So internet, let me know what you think. I want to hear all the best portable welders that you guys know of. We're looking for a lightweight, compact welder. This is a Defender 90. We don't have a lot of room, so space is precious. So lightweight, small, yet powerful enough to weld up a tie rod is what we're looking for. So yeah, lesson learned, get a portable welder. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe if you did. It'll help support our business. Yeah, if you ain't getting stuck, you ain't trying hard enough. Appreciate you guys following along. Have a good one. See you guys next time.